All right, guys, so I just wanted to do this unboxing for a gift that I received from Renewed Scents. And my oh my oh my, guys, the packaging was so cute. I love this with the gold white trimming, you know, box decorator and thing that is in there, and these little soft things. Oh my god, the packaging was just so cute. It's like getting luxury for an affordable price. It has like real natural ingredients like coconut oil. It's giving sweet almond oil, argania spinosa, argan oil, fine fragrance oil. It's definitely giving like Dubai. It's definitely giving DR. It's giving vibes on the packaging. So this is the oil. It also has these sweet words. It says made with love, worn with confidence, renewed scents. Let me just unbox this with you guys. Even though I'm having a hard time opening the box. Me love smell good in the guys. I love perfume. Oh my god, it's so cute. And this is the oil, and the container is not glass. It's like plastic, but very hard plastic, you know. I love the gold writing. I love the color gold. Can we have different variations of gold? I like this gold. Of course, it has the spray it on. It comes out very oily. And one spray is like a good amount. It's definitely giving coconut. Ooh, blends out well into the skin. Wow, nice. It's giving something that you can wear to bed, or you know, if you're going on a nice dinner date, you know, and you want that very soft, elegant essence type of vibe. I'm definitely getting this from the oil. Definitely something I think I'm gonna have like a really good time wearing, you know, especially on those nights out when you want to smell sexy, you want to smell elegant, you want to feel. It's giving boss, elegantly bossy. It's also giving vacation. You know, you're going on a nice beachy island vacation and you want something sexy and soft. It's giving that. So this is the perfume, and the box looks like this, very similar. It just says luxury defined with renewed scents. Oh my god, that's cute. And you can definitely go to renewedscents.com if you're interested in anything that I've been showing you so far. This is what the bottle looks like. Oh, look at that. This is looking so luxurious. I love it. And the bottle is it has a little bit of weight on it, but I just love how luxurious it is. And this is the top. Comes off like this, and then let me spray here with you guys. I already love it. I don't know if it's the fact that I layered the perfume on top of the scent oil, but this is giving heavenly. This is giving it. It has like a sweetness to it, but then the coconut is so mild, but at the same time you can smell it. It's giving me tropical. It's giving me fruity. The scent is like there. It's not barely there. It's like very prominent, but it's not like overbearing. Oh, love it. I'm definitely loving the packaging, guys. The packaging is so cute. So if you're looking for affordable perfumes, you want something to look real cute and aesthetic on your dresser or on your vanity, and you want something that you don't have to break the bank, but you can definitely get something affordable, and it gives you that vibe, vacation. It gives you luxury. It gives you a sense. It gives you, oh, I want to be beside you right now. That's what it's giving. It's giving, girl, what kind of perfume that you wear? What's that mixture? That is soft. I want to be all up in your neck. That's what it's giving. So if you want to give these scents a try, you can definitely look into my description box for a link to this site. And this one is called Cabana. I don't know if it's a thing where they have like different names, but this specific perfume is called Cabana. And it's definitely giving cabana. You remember that telling it sounds like DR. It sounds like, you know, you're on the beach now, one nice straw hut cabana. Yeah, and you're just laying out in the sun in your bikini with your nice straw hat, and the beach is just looking blue, and you just have a margarita at your side. Like, that's when I would pull this color out. You know, those islandy, tropical, hotel vibe, just relaxing, dinner dates, soft nights. So thank you, Renewed Scents, for sending me these gifts. I also got a letter from Renewed. So this looks like this, and it says thank you. Let's see what's in it. It's just my receipt basically, and it says thank you. Thank you, Alicia. Oh my god, guys, even the paper smells so good. The paper smells so good. And then I got another thank you card with code. You know, they have like the scent going through it. It's like, kind of like a magazine thing. So thank you, Renewed Scents. I appreciate your gift. I definitely like it. It smells really good, and that's not a cap, guys. It really smells good, and the entire box smells good. The letters smell really good. The box smells good. The cologne smells good. The body oil smells good. You know when your skin is doing really, really good and you got your skincare routine on deck and everything is just working out fine for your skin, and then just bam, one day a pimple just decided to appear. I've been having this pimple for the last week now, and I got these CeraVe blemish barrier patches that I will be trying. It reduces the appearance of blemishes and redness. It absorbs excess oil. It helps prevent picking to reduce risk of post-acne marks. The thing that I like about this pimple patch is that it also has 3 essential ceramides, and it also includes niacinamide, and it is good for sensitive skin. And I have sensitive skin, so I have to be very careful and mindful of the things that I use on my skin, because if me touch the wrong button, then my skin is going to go off. I want to get stuff like these where whenever I get like pimples, I'm not tempted to touch it, to pick it, or to squeeze it. So just wash my face and I did my skincare. I don't know if I should have done that or not. Take this on over the bum. That I think you kind of just glide it over the bum. Okay. It says cover blemish for 6+ hours or overnight and remove by slowly stretching edges. So I'm going to be wearing these for a few hours to see if the remainder of what is left of the bump, if it will help it to go down, and then I'm gonna come back and give you guys a review. But yeah, CeraVe blemish barrier patches, this is what I'm using. So that's all the unboxing that I got. Oh yeah, I went on the road recently too, guys, and I did get some products. I got this lovely cute little lip gloss from Essence, and I'll definitely be using this in a makeup video. I got this one just to try, but I feel like I'm gonna get some more because this has some plumping effect in it. Yeah, extreme plumping, and when you put it on your lip, you can feel it at work, you know. So I feel like I'm gonna get some more of these for my kids. And I wanted to create a look, and I did not have concealer, so I ended up going to get me like brighter shades so that I can create a makeup look for now. I also will be getting a few more makeup products and doing a few more unboxing with you guys, and I don't know if you guys are going to see it in this vlog, but they're definitely on their way and I have not received them as yet. I think one of the boxes at this time of me doing this video is here in Jamaica, but they're still not come to pick it up yet. And then I have someone taking some items for me as well on their way here. They're still not there, so I'm kind of just waiting to get the collection of things, and then I'll do like pretty good unboxing with you guys. I'm also waiting on getting like a makeup bag that I need, and just some things to finish building my kit. So as I continue to prepare for my makeup kit, guys, building it and getting the things that I will need to start, I'll show you guys more things as I go along. But so far, nothing yet to report because I'm still waiting on the things, and I still have a few things to purchase, and I'm going to purchase those in Jamaica for ease of not having to wait for it to take another week or two. I'm just going to go into a makeup store, a few makeup stores that I've been checking out, especially Glam on a Budget, because I've gotten a few products from Glam on a Budget, and they're fully supplied with items that definitely can help you if you are a new MUA and you're trying to build a kit. Them have like a variations of affordable products as well as all luxury items you may need as well. Already I feel like so far I've received most of the things that can help me to start school as well, guys. I decided that for practice or for school I won't be using the NARS. I'm getting my NARS, but I'm gathering them up for like my professional kit. I feel like for school I'll just get a more affordable foundation so that I'm able to get more variations where I can practice with. So I'm thinking of using L'Oreal True Match or Fresh Face or Maybelline Superstay, Maybelline Superstay, the 30-hour Lumi Matte foundation. I probably use that one because it's a bit more affordable, and when I've done a bit of research, I've seen other MUAs use it and other persons that are also on the same journey as me that have used it to even create looks, and they're also using it in their professional kit where they are getting paid for clients. And sometimes, guys, you have to start from somewhere. It costs $55 for one NARS, you know. It costs $55 for one NARS foundation, and I don't want that to hold me back. So even though I've started to get like a few NARS and thing, I want to make sure that I have the full lineup. And also for practice, I don't want to be using all of that foundation, so I'm just going to get something that I feel like is equivalent, that can offer me what the NARS offer but at a more affordable cost. And so I've settled on L'Oreal or Maybelline, or maybe I get a mixture of both L'Oreal and Maybelline. So that's how I've decided on, you know, angling that for school. And also, guys, I've done a little bit more research too, and I know that the Radiance Longwear foundation for NARS is, I think they discontinued it and they now have the new one, which is the light reflecting foundation. Now I've seen a lot of reviews where people are saying that the light reflection foundation is not that it doesn't give as heavy of a coverage as the natural radiance longwear foundation, but people are still using it because, you know, as long as I feel like as long as you know how to skin prep, then you will be able to use any foundation and know how to get great results out of it. Not any, but you know, the not so bad ones. So I'm still going to be getting the NARS light radiance because I don't want to start with the radiance longwear, the NARS radiance longwear, knowing that it's discontinued, and then maybe when the shade ranges that I have, I get so used to it and then I forgot switch over because it start get hard for fine. I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to start with the NARS light reflecting foundation. And the other foundation that I have in mind that I want to upgrade to as well is the Estée Lauder, because I think that is the most raved about foundation in the US, the Estée Lauder. And also I feel like it has a little bit more buildable coverage based on research. I don't know, I'm just work off of the things that I'm say the other anyways them say, but I'll definitely be testing them for myself over time. So yeah, I feel like if all goes well, my luxury glam kit will definitely consist of NARS light reflecting foundation and also the Estée Lauder. But guys, that's gonna take some time because I have to work myself up. But in the meantime, for practice and to begin, I'll be using L'Oreal and Maybelline. I mean, no, me go bad up that. Me no, me go use them two foundation there and still get like good results because I have a pretty good idea of what I can do to ensure that, you know, as I say, guys, it's all about skin prep. But we'll talk more about that as we learn more about makeup together. So that's my update on my preparations for makeup school. Yeah, so you guys just hang in there. You know, I live in Jamaica, so it's not like my day in America where I can just walk in and also walking at Sephora. I'm also still trying to budget myself properly and not overspend. You're shopping around, you're trying to get good deals. Anybody where you know where you can ask for two little things here and there for contribute to the kid, you do that. So you just have to wait, plan, execute, put everything together. No rush here. All right, we're just not trying to do it the right way. So I don't think this vlog is gonna be a very long vlog. Y'all saw me in the last clips by my home. I was cleaning up my space and thing because I'm telling the guys, I'm really got my Kingston yard. This is like a roaming lion outer road right now, and I don't want to forget my shit together. So yeah, that's about that. That's the update. It's not gonna be a very long vlog. I wish you guys would go ahead and watch my other vlogs. Guys, I'm not about to pay attention to the title of my vlog. Them, I'm still trying to figure out this YouTube thing. Just know that once you click on my vlog to watch it, it's entertainment right through. It's a different thing every moment in the vlog because this is just me, and I'm just sharing some of my life with you. It's not all of my life, and I just say a small fraction of my life. I'm gonna edit it down and make it into a mini movie for entertainment so that you can watch it. All right, so go ahead, if you're loving the vibes, subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and don't leave without liking the video. And I'm still preaching and asking you guys to comment when I watch the video because I can see that a lot of you are watching the video. My AVD is definitely looking a lot better. My sister wanna stay up on the video them longer, and that is good. I appreciate you guys for that. But I just want to know if I be a little bit more engaging, leaving a comment, even saying hi Alicia, or just a pass through, anything you want to say, because when you guys engage on the video, it definitely helps YouTube to push my videos out there a lot more, and that me I look for right now. All right, so I think this is more of like just a quick update video because I don't know, I felt like I needed to take a little mini break from YouTube for a bit. I'm still working every day, but I just feel like I kind of need to slow down a little bit because I feel like for the past couple of weeks I've just been going, and editing is very serious. All of them content they want to see me being and push out for the last couple of weeks, I've lost sleep just to edit them. All right, so I had to take a break, and remember guys, I still have to do start out my life in many different arenas. So your girl was burnt out, and I just decided to go a little bit slower last week, so I haven't been picking up the vlog much. I haven't been vlogging much, but just kind of chill and still trying to sort out business in regards to makeup and all of them stuff, the chicken, all of them stuff. The girl just been trying to figure out life, you know, and steps forward. This is all I have to give. I don't know, sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. Let's go ahead and like the video, subscribe if you're new here. Hey to all my new subscribers, look out for my next makeup video. I'll try to make it a little bit shorter. I think for episode 1 I literally was trying to make it into like a step-by-step thing and also give you guys like my honest first impressions of the new products that I tried, so that they kind of make it a little bit longer. But yeah, and I feel like I had a lot to talk about. Somebody just kind of used that video there for just get that out there. But I think episode 2 is going to be a little bit more straightforward, so I can just look out for that. All right, I've been focusing a lot on self-care. I've been doing a lot of research on like vitamins and multivitamins. So sometimes I feel the body has slowed down, guys. You have to just get into self-care, get some vitamins, start focusing more on like better nutrition, working out, exercising. You have to really find time for that. And honestly, I've been telling myself for the last 3 weeks that I'm gonna get up and work out. I'm gonna get up and work out, and I have not yet gotten up and work out. So I'm kind of with that too. I just want to kind of find a balance so that I can stop procrastinating. Decide if I'm gonna start working out in the mornings or in the evenings, because especially now I'm gonna get super busy. I really do feel like I need to start working out and giving my body that boost that it needs, you know, to get into the groove of being super active, because you know I'm definitely gonna need that. I don't know about you, but I know that I'm gonna need that. When you're doing things, you have to get your mind right so that you can think clearly. You have to get your body right so that you can feel confident about yourself. I'm always working on my skin. You know, I'm feeling much more confident about my skin in the last couple of months. Oh my god, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I've been on a very strict skincare routine for the last year. I'm not gonna tell you no lie. With skincare, you gotta be very patient, and you have to try different products and see. First of all, you have to know your skin. You have to know what kind of skin you have. You have to know if you have sensitive skin. You have to know if you're allergic to anything. And when you learn the type of skin that you have and what you're working with, then it will help you to choose better products for your skin. And when you start choosing better products for your skin, that is when you're going to start to see results. You know, either the skin getting clearer, the dark spot appearance is getting less and less visible. You have to just learn these things, and all of these sometimes it takes time. So when it takes time on yourself. And then the next issue is, I know a lot of the times the skincare stuff are super expensive, but always note that there are always affordable items that one can try for. If you have really bad skin, guys, you just have to go prepare for make some sacrifice. You have products like the ordinary skincare products that are very not as high-end or as luxurious as maybe like a La Roche-Posay or whatever, but are the dermalogica. But at the same time, these affordable products give you great results. I've heard a lot of persons talk about ordinary skincare products. I'm somebody that can vouch for them as well, and they have a lot of things in their lineup, from niacinamide, hyaluronic, salicylic acid, whatever it is that your skin need. They may be able to provide something from their lineup that can satisfy that. If your skin wants moisturized, to be moisturized, they have moisturizers. You know, if you're working on dark marks, they have different serums and products that you can, you know, use together to create like a routine that is going to, as long as you stay consistent, will eventually help you in time to have like nice clear skin. Now my skin is not perfect, but I've definitely been coming from a far way to where all of these parts of my skin were just hideous with like crazy black spots, you know. And I've just figured out a routine that works for me. I've just figured out, yeah, I've learned a lot over time about my skin, what it likes, what it dislikes, and I've just created like a formula. I like to have options. I like to have a cheaper option that works for me, as somebody will believe in it, because it's cheap enough for work. I like quality for my money, regardless if I look at money I spend or enough people have worked hard for their money, right? And then, you know, when you can afford to like treat yourself to other things. So skincare is definitely something that is also very therapeutic for me. So even in this time where I've been taking it slowly, I've kind of refocused on my skincare, because sometimes life gets so busy where you get so tired that you don't have the time for just apply the whole things then. And sometimes your skin requires the whole things, because sometimes you're fatigued and it's showing in your eye and your under eye. Sometimes you lack sleep and your eye them just it has show up on you. So sometimes when you realize that you want to take back that USA, that you want to take back yourself or find out yourself, you have to spend time and get the things up in your skin to make yourself right again. So that, and yeah, just spending a lot of time just working and planning on my future and what I want to do with this whole makeup thing and other things that I want to start creating as well that is in alignment with that. So yeah, guys, we just steady focus for ourselves and, you know, steady focus on our goals. And I just want to encourage all of you out there, if you have a dream, you know, just believe in yourself. Just, even though you might get up today and you might not see the way, just make your plan, write it all on paper, have a structure of what you want to do step by step, where you see yourself going, you know. And, you know, every day just try to figure out how are you going to, what are you going to do to, you know, put this whole plan together. Where are you going to get the money from? Where's the money going to come from? Are you going to ask family and friends for help? Are you going to take on like extra hours at work? You know, just put yourself together, put your shit together, and just understand, say, like, once you are consistent, once you have a plan and you're getting up every single day and you're making a step towards it, then, and you believe in yourself and you want it badly and you want it enough, the possibilities are endless. So yeah, anyway, guys, I'm not going to make up on myself. I don't know the thing come down. I'm not going to take care of myself. All right, bye. All right, Alicia, it is Sunday. I remember, no, it's today? Oh yeah, it's July 4th. It's July 5th. Yeah, one day after America's holiday, July 4th. I'm currently on my way to Kingston. I'm gonna be going to my Kingston home today, guys. I want to do a little bit of cleanup. I want to do a little bit of cleanup because I haven't really stayed in that home for a minute. Some of those want to do a little bit of cleanup and this and that and acid and comfort. So that's what I'm doing today, I guess. I put on my makeup not because I had to, but because I feel like every opportunity I'm gonna get for just practice, I'm going to practice. I'm not telling them I'm gonna do makeup real sweet today, but then I had a little dilemma. The mascara gonna mess up at my under eye, and when I try to remove it, I shouldn't have done that. I should just make it stay, wait for the mascara for dry down, and then maybe eventually it would have flick off. It kind of just patch out the whole of my under eye, but I work on it and try to fix it for it kind of look back normal. But the beat is eating, I'm not gonna lie. I was just trying to do a simple daytime thing, but I don't know, I end up putting blush on the things then I don't know why. And I'm not wearing a lipstick. This is actually my lip balm, but I saw it kind of tint your lip them. That's cute, I like it. So we'll see you guys when we get into Kingston. Go and stay tuned for the ride. Well, honestly guys, look how much I forget about tonight, you know. Look how much I forget about tonight, guys. Look how me I sweat because when I tell you say I do one piece of cleaning, wanna meet me in the last part. Wanna meet me when I'm reaching the room, guys. I can't even talk to her right now. I can't even talk to her because I'm so flustered. Look how I start the live looking good, and look how I look. I come nice, you know. I come nice also, you know. Anyway, before I leave, I gotta have a shower so that I can feel cool again. But I can't stop to talk to her because when I tell her, I say, I work. Yeah, hold on. I want to play about my music. I can play about my music. You know God's got me covered.